Hi students, let's try to understand a problem. Briefly describe the structure and function of nephron with the neat label diagram. Now student, they are saying that is we have to draw the diagram of the nephron also. Of each nephron is composed of student six part. Okay, let us see. This is the capsule student. Okay, firstly it is the capsule that is also called Bowman capsule student, and it is the connected with the efferent arteries and efferent arteries student. This is the arteries, and these arteries are the too much branches are there. Here you can see student, there are too much branches are there for the filtration, right? So here this is called efferent arteries student, efferent arteries, and this is called student efferent arteries. Now here you see in this region, this is called glomerulus. So glomerulus, that is too many capillaries. Now what is this cup shape structure? This is called Bowman's capsule. And here in the Bowman capsule, what happened student? That is the blood is filtered student. Now this is the connected with what student? This one is the proximal convoluted tubule student. This is called proximal convoluted tubules. This one, proximal convoluted tubules. Now this proximal convoluted tubule student, what is happening? This is the U-shaped tube will be there student. That is called Henle loop. This is the Henle, Henely, Henle loop. Through it is connecting with the digital convoluted tubule student. This is the digital convoluted tubule. Digital convoluted tubule. Convoluted tubules. Digital convoluted tubules. And finally, what is happening is student, this is going to the collecting duct student. Here you will find this is the collecting duct. This collecting duct is called the renal arteries student. Renal tube you can see student. Okay, through this one collecting duct, urine is collected student. Collecting duct, you there are the two main ducts are there student. That is also called, it is present in the kidney only. So here you see proximal convoluted tubule called PCT, and digital converted tubules called DCT. Proximal, why proximal? Because it is close to Bowman capsule. Digital, because it is away from the Bowman capsules. Okay. Now here you see student, one by line you read. As we know that kidney are the main excretory organ in human being, they consist of basic structural unit called nephron. There are about 1 million nephrons present in one kidney. All the nephrons together kept together by connecting tissue. The basic structure of nephron consists of glomerulus, Bowman capsule, proximal convoluted tubules, loop of Henle, distal converted tubules, and collecting duct. This is also there, collecting duct. So total six parts are there student. Glomerulus is the tuft of blood capillaries that arise from the different arterioles. The capillaries join again later from the efferent arterioles. From efferent to efferent, these arterioles takes the blood to the nephron and supply back to the body after filtration. Next one is the Bowman capsule. That one, efferent and efferent already I explained this one. Here the this is the afferent taking, and this is the efferent, uh, the filter blood is supplying. Bovine capsule is cup-like structure that holds the glomerulus. It collects the filtrate from the glomerulus and transfer the proximal convoluted tubules. So what it is doing actually, it is collecting the filtrate, student. Filtrate means the nitrogenous base is taking and sending to the where, student, proximal convoluted tubules. Okay. So Bowman capsule is cup-like structure that holds glomerulus. It collects the filtrate from the glomerulus and transfer into proximal convoluted tubules. Proximal convoluted tubule is lined by a columnar epithelial cell. Columnar epithelial cell. And what the point they are saying? Surface area to absorb the essential substance back into the blood. PCT leads to U-shaped structure called loop of Henle, Henlya. It consists of ascending and descending part that are lined with the flat columnar epithelial cell. They act to absorb water and concentration of the urine. Now, digital convoluted tubule (DCT), from where it is connecting, student, from Henle loop, loop of Henle, continued from the ascending part of the loop of Henle. Now, loop of Henle here I told you, na, this is what descending part here, downward, na, that is called descending part, and this is what ascending part. So that is what they are saying, ascending part of the Henle loop. What is distal convoluted tubules are connecting? See here. Here, distal convoluted tubule continue from ascending part of loop of Henle. This lead to collecting duct. It is very large duct that receive the filtration from the various nephron. The collecting duct open into the urethra and helps to the urinary bladder, where it kept in the till elimination. So this is the structure, student, of the nephron. Thank you very much for watching, students.